Welcome back. Updates coming in from the top court on the Palghar lynching case, where the Supreme Court has said that it wants to examine the charge sheets that have been filed in the Palghar lynching case, and also the government of Maharashtra. Several questions that have been raised against them, where Justice Ashok Bhushan has asked the Maharashtra government to explain what action has been taken against the police officials who are said to be playing a part in the lynching of the two sadhus in Palghar that happened in April. And the Supreme Court says that now it wants to examine the charge sheets that have been filed in the Palghar lynching case. We have Nalini, our legal correspondent, with us. Nalini, explain to us both sides what the top court has said and the response from the Maharashtra government side.
Well, this is the second time that the Supreme Court pulled up the Maharashtra government in 2 days, and this time it is with respect to the Palghar lynching case, where the Supreme Court has now asked the Maharashtra government to not only bring forth the details of the investigation in this case, but also file the copy of the charge sheets before the Supreme Court as well, so that the Supreme Court can examine the charge sheets by themselves. So there are 2 charge sheets that are already filed in the case. The third charge sheet is going to be filed on Monday, is what the Maharashtra government has told the Supreme Court. So copies of all 3 charge sheets now have to be submitted before the Supreme Court, and the Supreme Court is going to go into the details of the investigation along with the charge sheet to find out exactly why the Maharashtra government has not taken any action against the involved police officials, even after months of the incident occurring at Palghar, where 2 sadhus were lynched. Still no action has been taken against anybody, and that is essentially why the Supreme Court today pulled up the Maharashtra government. So about 7 days' time has been given to the Maharashtra government to file all of these details on record before the Supreme Court, after which the hearing will be scheduled to happen. But like I stated earlier, this is the second time in 2 days that the Supreme Court has pulled up Maharashtra government for their investigation in a particular case, and trouble seems to be mounting for them not only in the Jishant Singh case, but now also it seems in the Palghar lynching case.
Also, when it comes to the third charge sheet, Nalini, because it's being cited that still the Maharashtra government is not looking into the police's inaction completely, and very much the involvement that could be seen in those videos when the lynching was happening. Why is that, and what is making those police and the Maharashtra state government not to take action against those very same police officials?
Well, Amata, the Maharashtra government has told the Supreme Court that it is with respect to the third charge sheet, where they're going to be focusing on the possible involvement of the police officials in this case, who are said to have played a part when it comes to the entire incident that had happened at Palghar, where 2 sadhus were lynched. But at the same time, the Solicitor General has also agreed with the Supreme Court, saying that a copy of the charge sheet should be allowed to be filed before the Supreme Court, and let the Supreme Court then decide whether or not there is any merit to these charge sheets that has been filed by the Maharashtra government, which essentially means as to whether or not they've conducted the investigation in a proper manner. Because the main reason for not bringing to books any of the police officials could also be the fact that the Maharashtra government has not conducted the investigation properly in the first place. So that is essentially why the Supreme Court as well as the Centre have both said that a copy of the charge sheet should be allowed to be filed before the Supreme Court, along with all the details of the investigation in the case, so that the Supreme Court can finally decide, after looking at all the material, what kind of investigation has been conducted by the Maharashtra government, and at the same time, what needs to be done in this case from here on.
All right. So, Supreme Court now pulling up the Maharashtra government once again, asking that it wants to examine the charge sheets that have been filed in the Palghar lynching case, and the Maharashtra government says they will be filing a third charge sheet on Monday. Thanks very much, Nalini, for the same. We'll be heading into a short break. Back with the top headlines at noon.